the second occurrence of the Sunday. What exactly this formula is doing, that this is the year, this is the month, which is a Jan, and in the month of Jan, the second Sunday was on 12 Jan. The second Monday was on a 13 Jan. Second Thursday was on a 14, and so forth and so on. Sometimes we need this kind of dates. For example, your organization or your institute is giving salaries on the second Sunday or second Monday or second Tuesday. So you can line out your payroll dates with the help of this formula to find out the second Sunday in advance in future, and then design your schedule accordingly. Look at this. If we want to confirm this, that in 2020 Jan, the second Sunday was 12 Jan 2020, let's see if it is 12 Jan 2020. Come to Jan, and the second Sunday is one Sunday as was on the 5th of 2020, and the second Sunday was on the 12 2020, which is correct, and the Monday is definitely on 13 and 14. This is the second, this is the second, this is the second, this is the second, and here is the Saturday, which is falling on this is actually the third Saturday. The second Saturday is falling on 11, and here we can see the Saturday is falling on 11. So with the help of this formula, you can see date and then your this reference A6, B6. If I click this here, you can find out that this cell, this cell, this cell, and this cell are taken under consideration, and we use the date A6, B6, 1 plus, then we use this interval section, which is 7th day, then weekday date A6, B6 plus 1, and this green nth occurrence is the second, giving the to find out the second day which is falling, for example second Sunday, second Monday, and again we are giving this reference, the 7, which is the number of day. In fact, in the English days, the first day is Sunday, the second is Monday, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the 7th day is Saturday. In Microsoft Excel, on the serial number 1 is Sunday, on the serial number 2 is Monday. So these serial numbers are working in this formula A6, and then this N27. The formula is complex. It is ready made for you. You can use this if you wish. If you are facing this kind of situation, you can use this formula. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Professional Accounting and press the bell button to receive continually new videos. Bye bye. Look at this, last weekday in a month. So guys, welcome back to the MS Excel formula class. Last week in a month, weekday are 7. If we need to know which date is the last Sunday falling in Feb 2020, look at this. Last Sunday, the same way, Like here is the Sunday. This is the last Sunday of Jan 2020. To find out if it is really this date, our formula says that this is the, you can see this is the last Sunday of January 2020. The formula is working actually for the purpose that to find out the last day of the month. So let's see, find out 2020. 2020 June 26 is the last Sunday exactly. So this, with the help of this formula, you can find out that what date or what day was the last day of the month and on what date it was falling. Like for example, Monday is falling on 27, is we have seen that 26 is the last Sunday, so usually 27 is the last Monday. And the same way, look at this, 31, and then again we come back to this Saturday, because if Sunday was, the last Sunday was falling on 26, so obviously the last Saturday was falling on 25. So this way, you know, in the Feb, the same situation is on the February, that the last Sunday was on 23rd Feb 2020, and so on and so forth. So you can find out with the help of this formula to find out the last day of the month. Find out the last day, fall of the last day in particular month. Fall of the last day, for example, last Monday. I hope you guys understand this is a complex situation. Thank you for watching, guys. So here you can see that, so here is the time section.